STG is a professional PCB and PCBA manufacturer in Shenzhen, China. We provide high-quality bare PCB and PCB assembly service, including PCB, component sourcing, SMT and THT assembly, IC programming, function test, and complete assembly for clients all over the world. Our product covers various fields, such as automotive electronics, IoT, medical electronics, telecommunications, industrial control, smart home, and other industries around the world. STG has 8 high-precise Fuji SMT assembly lines to meet the 0201, 0402, and BGA assembly. All SMT assembly will take 100% AOI inspection to ensure high PCBA quality. Besides 4 THT assembly lines, our extra capacity of 2 IC programming stations, 10 PCBA functional test stations, 2 enclosure assembly lines, and final packing can meet every customer's requirements. One of STG beliefs is focus on quality. We know that quality is another crucial factor in winning a good credit and positive partnership. STG focuses and puts great deal of efforts in quality control. Strict QC people are a must in STG team. STG are able to handle small as well as large volume production with flexibility. Electronic circuit board. Any request, please contact us.
Welcome to STG. We are professional PCBA manufacturer.
Welcome to STG PCBA.
Hi, I'm Lily from STG Electronic. We are a 19 years PCB assembly manufacturer. If any PCB or PCB assembly request, please call me. Why not?